Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Marianna, local and long-distance movers near me. Do you live in Marianna right now but want to move and your new home still be within the city? It's time to call a local mover. Marianna Local Movers and several of the movers Marianna has in it specialize in local relocation, and hiring them is better than handling local relocation by yourself. 3 Movers has experience working in the city. They know it like you know your fingers. They know how to beat its traffic. They know the best routes. They know how to manage the city's unique relocation challenges. They know how to work around the city's regulations. You may not know all these. Long-distance movers specialize in moving things from city to city or state to state. The main difference between them and local movers, they have licenses that permit them to move across state. A long-distance mover that can help you with your moving into the city is Marianna Long-Distance 3 Movers. Besides certifications, these movers know how to navigate the different regulations in different states that affect relocation. They usually use large trucks so that you can move all your stuff at once. That kind of packing materials they use for your fragile things can keep them safe throughout the long drive. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marianna moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.